Hello everyone, welcome to our baking unit. So here we can see our equipment in the baking unit. So we have different equipments like stand mixer, rotatory convection oven and dough mixer and small OTG oven, etc. So first of all we'll see the preparation of chocolate cake. In a bowl take half of cup of curd and then add 1.5 cup of sugar powder and mix it well till no lumps. Now add half cup of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence so that we can get a vanilla essence flavor. So mix it well until no lumps is formed and oil is mixed into it. And then keep a sieve and add 1 and 1/4 cup of refined flour. And then add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of baking soda. And sieve it well, and now combine well all the raw ingredients into the liquid ingredients. Now slowly add 3 cups of milk into it and whisk well, and now into a tray. And now take a baking tray and grease it well with oiling brush. Now pour the cake mix into it and keep it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Your delicious chocolate cake is ready. So now we'll see the preparation of brown bread. In a bowl, take 1 kg of wheat flour and add 32 grams of yeast and 23 grams of gluten and 6 grams of bread improver. Now mix it well and keep aside. Now in another bowl, take 500 ml of chilled water and add 120 ml of oil into it. Now in a stand mixer, add all the dry ingredients first and let it combine well for 5 minutes. And then now add the liquid ingredients and let the dough mix well until it forms stretchiness of gluten. Now take out the dough onto the working table and spread some place and knead the dough well at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Now cut the dough into 4 equal parts and weigh each dough of same size and same weight. Now take each dough and roll it with the floor, and then do it with cut and fold method and roll it well. Now grease the bread tray with oil with the helping of oil brush, and then place the each dough into the bread trays and then let it proof for 40 minutes. Check meanwhile whether the bread is proving or not. If the bread is not proof means it won't be fit to make the bread. Now meanwhile preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now place the bread tray in the oven carefully and let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes, and then take it out and then let it cool, and then cut it with bread slicer at least after 6 hours. Now soft and spongy and healthy brown bread is ready. Now we'll see the preparation of 3 ingredient butter cookies without egg. So in this the 3 main ingredients are butter, powdered sugar and refined flour. Here I use the unsalted butter, but you can use salted butter if you want a little salt in your cookies. The butter needs to be softened before using, otherwise your cookie dough will not be in the right consistency. Now the second ingredient is powdered sugar. You can use powdered sugar, so it helps to create the crispy cookie texture and to provide as much as sweetness it can. And now we have to add the refined flour. Here I added 1.5 cup refined flour to the 200 grams of unsalted butter. Now add 1.5 cup of flour to the butter mix and knead well without adding any oil, milk or water to it. Now knead the dough well until it forms the soft dough and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes at least, so that it could get a nice consistency. Now you can also add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to get vanilla flavor to your cookies, but it's optional. So now here we will see how to prepare the cookies. Now combine well the melted butter and powdered sugar till it forms a nice dough. And now take out the dough and roll it well like a roll and cut it into small parts in equal sizes, and keep the small equal parts into a baking tray and press it with fork to give it a nice look. And preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and place the baking tray inside the oven and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now your delicious butter cookies are ready. You can pair it with tea and you can have it as a snack.